Ever be cruising course or the resort and suddenly you'd hit the paddle and nothing? Don't panic, this happens to the best of us. Today I'll show you the only two things you need to check to save your round in your wallet. Most golf carts meltdown, it's the battery. If your car feels sluggish or just refuses to start, the culprit is often dirty or low batteries. Quick tip, check your charge level with a voltmeter. Super easy. Got corrosion on the terminals. Baking soda and water is your secret weapon. Seriously, it's magic. And don't forget, keeping your water levels top up keeps your cart happy for years. Trust me on this one, a few minutes of maintenance now can save hours of frustrations later. Another biggie, brakes or steering that don't feel right. Maybe your car squeaks or the steering feels stiff. Inspect pads, lubricate the moving parts, and tighten loose steering components once a year. Simple checks like this can prevent those scary raining stops or worse, that embarrassing call for a tow. So next time your golf cart acts up, don't freak out. Check the batteries, inspect the brakes, and give a little TLC to your steering. These small steps save your time, money, and headaches. One more quick life-saving golf cart tips. Hit subscribe.